Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Avalanche price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. Very critical analysis. Avalanche is shifting toward the upside. Something has changed in the structure. I'm gonna show you, of course, inside this deep analysis a little bit for Avalanche because we might see, of course, a rebound toward the upside. Let's dive a little bit in a quick overview for the bullish and bearish and what do we expect. So we have, of course, an A, B, C, D, and an E. It is a corrective structure here that you got, of course, and you finished a wave E and you potentially finished a wave 1 here. And then you're looking for 2, 3, 4, and a 5 for your biggest bearish scenario, which is a wave C here. In a wave 2, all right, meaning, of course, you are potentially in a wave 1 because this can be an impulse 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. And you're looking for a bigger bearish scenario for a wave 2. So basically, the short-term bearish is done. It's a short-term bearish and done. And potentially, we can move toward the upside as well, of course, in case we are in a W, X, and a Y here. Yeah? So your wave Y is, of course, a zigzag. Yeah, for a wave 2. Yeah, it can be for also a wave 2 after 1 and then WXY wave 2 higher, meaning this orange wave 2 can be higher. Yeah, or even for another bullish scenario is, of course, that you finish WX and Y, you finish your wave B here, or even your wave 2 as well, and then you're moving impulsively 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. You finished a wave 1, yeah, and then ABC, very nice irregular flat or zigzag because it looks like impulsive, or no, it is invalidated with the wave 4, so it is a regular flat. And then you're looking here for higher, yeah, meaning in confluence, if this target has been reached as well, let's check as well, very important, as a regular flat here. Here we go. We're very, very close to the 1-to-1 fib level, $14. Yeah, very, very important as well. It might be taken still and still very bullish. Yeah, so be careful with it. I think we are shifting. Why? Because we're gonna dive inside here, inside this move for this regular flat. We have 3 waves down as an impulse, obviously, correction, and then impulse, meaning ABC zigzag here for 3 waves, right? A, B, and a C. We got 3 waves back. And right now we are, of course, in potential A, B, and a C, but I see even something else here. I start to see something else because this wave, which it is supposed to be, let's say, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, your wave 5 here is so much overlapping, yeah? So let's take this 1, 2, 1, 2, and then 3. Your wave 4 right now, it has invalidated this impulse. And that's why I think that Avalanche is shifting right now to something else just by taking this invalidation. What I'm thinking here is the following. I think that we have an A and B, and we're still looking for a wave C toward the downside. Yeah, your wave B can be finished somewhere here. Yeah, and we're looking right now at kind of like a choppy wave ABC. Of course, this is your wave B and this is your wave C potentially, right? Where we have finished it, yeah, potentially as A, B, C, and we're looking now for higher, and again for one more wave C towards the downside. Why? To finish exactly on the 1-to-1 fib level for this main wave C for this flat. Yeah, and this is gonna be finished, of course, in W, X, and a Y. Okay, so what I think here is, of course, we have to adjust a little bit the things, guys. So we are looking first. Let's use this wave A, B, and C for this scenario here. And this is anyway your short-term bearish scenario, which is unfolding right now. Our perfect blue box, of course, is the 1-to-1 fib level in confluence with the wave 2, 0.618, 0.786. Very nice confluence. And of course, I will shrink this to this area. Actually, we're gonna remove this big box. Now we concise the target, right? Here we go. And yeah, so these are the things. Now inside here, I'm looking actually for a W, X, and a Y. Yeah. This W, X, and a Y has to be, of course, your scenario to finish a wave 2 and finishing, of course, a wave C with a big wave C or potentially a wave 2. Here we go. Yeah. Yeah. So basically, I'm still looking to a wave Y. And why? Because we are very choppy here. There is nothing impulsive, and it was supposed to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's a fake impulse. Okay, it has turned to a fake impulse. It is a wave Y. We're gonna see potentially something like that. Yeah, potentially. So let's move, of course, inside deeper as well for this one. Let me arrange the things. Okay, let's turn off this. What we are looking here before, yeah, I kept it just to explain to you guys what's going on. So potentially, if we are looking for a wave A, B, and a C, if this is your 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, your wave 5 has to be 1, 2, 3, 4. Your wave 4 took the wave 1, yeah, which is not nice to see, as you can see here. 1 second. So if this is your wave 1, which it should be here actually, 1, 2, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 invalidation. Yeah, not good, and we cannot count this as an impulse anymore. Meaning, what we have to do is to expect, of course, a W, X, and a Y here. How to expect a W, X, and a Y? With the following scenario. We have here potentially 3 waves or 5 waves up, down, let's say, A, B, and a C. You have finished the first structure. You are looking for a rebound in 3-wave corrective, and then one more move towards the downside to finish those, of course, those readings here, those numbers, and labels. Meaning, right now, I would prefer to count this as an A, B, and a C, somehow like that. Here we go. This is my highest possibility right now. We're looking to an A, B, and a C to finish a wave Y, finishing wave 5, potentially, of course, because this wave 5 is for this impulse, which is not good anymore. We're gonna remove it. Less is more, right? And we have, of course, here a wave 2, which is a main wave 2 here. Your wave 2 is for this big impulse here. We're gonna put this in yellow. We're gonna put it in a bigger picture so we get the idea. And of course, if we are more bearish, then of course it is a wave A, but very, very far possibility. Yeah, we're gonna leave it for later. Potentially, once we finish wave B and then wave C here, we're gonna move towards the upside. Meaning, guys, again, whatever it happens in this blue box, bullish. Yeah, high potential, of course. Don't forget that the wave A. But even if you have a wave A, look at the perfect scenario. Even if you are wave A, you're looking for 3 waves up and then continuation towards the downside. Meaning whatever it happens is bullish. Again. So my of course analysis here is predicting for a wave B and then a wave C. As this is still in red, I would say, even if we see higher, my bullish scenario is there. Okay, here we go. Now you will ask me, what if we are bullish from now? Well, of course, it's a very nice question. If it would be a very nice question, I'm already looking forward to what you think in advance. So you will think, of course, what if this is kind of like an impulse toward the upside and so on? So like a bullish from now. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, your wave 5 is longer than your wave 3. So already invalidation. If we are in 1, 2, 1, 2, and then 1, 2, very possible. But I would like to see a massive move toward the upside, yeah, not a new correction. The new correction right now is your separation between A, B, and a C. The 3 waves that it is gonna finish a wave B for you here. And then moving toward the downside. This is my highest possibility. So yes, we might see a bounce and then moving again impulsively toward the downside, creating fear in the market, creating doubt, and of course psychology, and everyone, okay, I'm out, I don't want this crypto anymore, and then boom, toward the upside. Yep, so this a perfect scenario in terms of Elliott wave and psychology as well. It sounds very, very perfect. So that was it for Avalanche. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.